first assembly of the year, full of excitement and maybe a few were nervous.
Now, here we are at the end of our first journey, ready to take on bigger things.
This final assembly is a moment to pause, reflect and celebrate on what we have shared together.
This assembly is a chance to acknowledge our challenges and most importantly, to appreciate the teachers and friends who supported us all.
Let us thank our teachers, parents and friends for starting us on this overwhelming journey called life, for teaching us right from wrong and for instilling in us the right path to learn our ABCs and to share and to care.
As a token of our appreciation and love, we are presenting a song.